guests staying in a hotel soaking in the spa is their ultimate relaxation. This video has been produced because you and your management have a duty of care to each guest so that they can enjoy their spa in complete safety. To keep your jacuzzi spa baths hygienically clean and in peak condition, your management has decided to use the SPAGIENE Total Clean System. A bacterium is a type of microorganism, a minute living thing so small, in fact, that 1 million bacteria could fit on a pinhead. Bacterial body grease deposits, hair, skin tissue and biological waste can lodge in the unprotected spa bath pipes, jets and pump. These residues not only reduce the efficiency of the spa by retarding the flow of water to the outlets, they also create an unhygienic bath for your guests. SPAGIENE is an easy one-step system that will eliminate and prevent these risks. It hygienically cleans and sanitizes the jets, pipes and pump in one easy application and will leave your spa bath sparkling clean and fresh. To use SPAGIENE, simply fill the bath with hot or cold water to a level just above the jets as soon as you arrive in the room. The SPAGIENE dosage rate is 50 ml for every 200 litres of water. To work out the correct dosage rate, you will need to know the capacity of the bath to just above the line of the jets. Attend to your other duties whilst the bath fills. When applying SPAGIENE, we suggest you use our 1 litre auto measure pack. To fill the pack, simply screw off the left cap and add the SPAGIENE solution. Replace the cap tightly. Once the level of the water is higher than the jets, undo the right-hand cap slightly, about 1/4 of a turn, and squeeze the bottle gently. Fill the top reservoir of the pack to the required dosage rate. Remove the reservoir hand cap and pour the solution into the spa bath. This process does take a little getting used to, so we suggest you practice using the auto measure pack with water rather than wasting any SPAGIENE solution or risking spillage on your skin or eyes. Again, SPAGIENE efficacy is certified at 50 ml SPAGIENE solution to 200 litres water. This means it's critical to find out the correct volume of water at the level just above the jets to calculate the correct measured dosage. Turn on all jets and air bubbles for 3 to 5 minutes. Again, you can tend to your other duties whilst SPAGIENE does its work on the spa's piping system. Some foaming will occur in the water. Some of this foam will be brown in colour, which are the body fats being removed from the piping system. It is worthy to note that health authorities at the Department of Human Services recommends that jacuzzi spa baths are flushed hygienically clean between each client or after each room stay. After 3 to 5 minutes, turn off the pump and drain the bath. Whilst the bath is draining with gloves on, wipe the excess body fats from the surface of the bath with a damp cloth and rinse with the tap running. For any hard-to-shift stains, use a concentrated dose of SPAGIENE to remove. Always dry the surface of the bath with a separate clean, dry cloth. If you are using SPAGIENE for the first time and your spa bath is more than 1 year old, it's advisable to flush the bath clean twice a day for 7 to 10 days to eradicate the build-up of body fat and hair. Applying the SPAGIENE Safe Hygiene sticker on the Spa On-Off button will advise the next guest that they can use the spa bath with complete peace of mind because it has been hygienically cleaned with the SPAGIENE Total Clean System. Peace of mind for your guests and peace of mind for you.